Hey guys, you might have seen my first video, the 6 days 450, the FMF 4.1 titanium exhaust. Well, I decided to buy the 350. Same thing, much lighter bike, feels better for enduro riding.